Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is going to be kind of like a chatty video, just a little bit. I'm not going to make it like super long or anything like that. Jesus Christ, I said it all the time. But anyways, I'm basically going to be telling you guys how I fixed, quote unquote, my uneven hair. Okay, so let me tell you guys the bake story, story, and then you guys will kind of understand what was going on. So as a child, when I was younger, my mom used to take me to the hairdresser like religiously. I mean, like every 2 weeks, I think, if not every week. I used to get a deep condition. I used to get it like flat ironed and like styled and things like that. My ends like clipped and stuff. At a young age, I realized that a lot of stylists did not understand clipping ends. I was getting like full-on cuts. Okay, let's just put it out there. But anyways, I was going to this particular stylist for a while. Every once in a while I would be getting like a perm and deep condition, you know, the whole nine. So my mom took really good care of my hair. If she didn't do it, then most likely the stylist did it, and she only really got in my hair when the stylist was booked or something like that, or she couldn't take me. So I noticed a pattern in my hair. So my hair was growing very uneven, and it was so odd to me. I had no idea what was really going on with my hair. So my hair was growing like this. It was like this side was flourishing, but this side was like it was just staying stagnant, and I just could not understand why. Another thing, this side, the side that was flourishing, was thin. The side that was stuck at one length was thick. I was like, what is going on? Like, I had no idea what was going on. So the stylist, of course, tried many different things. She tried to cut my hair in like this style, like you know, like a short long type of bob, which is, it's kind of cute, but you know, kind of got old. Then she tried to like give me an all even cut, kind of like this. You know, that kind of got old. So I'm just like, why is my hair doing this? And I had no idea why. The lady kept trying to treat it, and then on top of that, she wasn't really cutting my ends right. So I ended up getting like a really short cut, and I was thinking that was gonna happen, and it just didn't happen. I tried all kind of shampoos, conditioners, things that promise to grow your hair, thicken your hair, all this kind of gimmicky type stuff. I tried. Me and my mom, we tried, and it was one day, I'll never forget the day, guys. Okay, me and my mom were going to the African braiding shops to get our hair braided, and I was just sitting in my room one day, and I was just so disgusted with my hair. I was so depressed. Like, hair depression is real. I don't know if you guys know or not, but if my hair not right or my hair not the way I want it to look, I'm not going. I'm gonna have a full-blown attitude. My hair gotta match my outfit, etc. Okay, so anyways, I was just disgusted. I was young, like literally I was really young. I was just sitting in my room, and I was like, I'm not about to go through this or whatever. So I was thinking that my mom wouldn't find out, because like I was gonna get braids, so I wouldn't think that she would just notice. Didn't think that through good enough, so I ended up cutting my hair, like literally. I wish I had some scissors, but I took scissors. I just cut into my hair. After trying everything, I had just exhausted all of my resources. Yeah, I was like in my wit's end. I was like, look, so I'm gonna have to give. Yeah. So that's what ended up happening. I cut my hair super short. I cut that unevenness out. I cut it down really low, and I practically started over, because that was like the only thing I could do. Okay, you know, after a lot of other tactics, yeah, it would grow, but it was still uneven. Yeah, one side would thicken up, but it was still uneven. I just didn't know what to do, you know what I'm saying? So by cutting it out and actually like cutting it and starting like a new fresh start with a new regimen and just doing my own thing, that made things so much better. I did not end up going to it. I have not been to a hairdresser since, and that's been over, oh yikes, it's been over 10 years, and I have not been back to a hairdresser since. You know, I'm not sure if she was leaving the perm. She wasn't feeling like washing the perm out of my hair. I don't know if it was some products that wasn't taken to my hair very well. I'm not sure what really happened, but my hair was growing so wonky and weird. Like, I never had that experience before in my life, you know. So a lot of people come to me and say, hey, my hair's uneven, what do? I always suggest the best thing to do is to cut it off and start over. Now, I'm not saying just take the clippers and like, I only recommend it if your hair is in that bad of shape. But if it's a little uneven, you want to go ahead and even it out, okay? If it's super uneven, yeah, you may need to go to a TWA, but that's not gonna, and if you don't know what that is, it's just a really tiny afro. But if you wear protective styles such as braids, you wear wigs, like wigs that are going to protect your hair and your edges and things like that, people are not even going to know that your hair is that short, okay? You can cut your hair short, even it out, get into a simple method that works for you, not what everybody else recommended or whatever case may be. Get to a simple regimen that works for you. Stretch out your relaxers. If you are relaxed, maybe go Texlaxed. If you get relaxers, if you used to get relaxers, let's say every month, try every 2 months, then every 3 months, or every 4 months. Try it like that, and then, you know, do the whole Texlaxed thing instead of getting them every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. I know some people get relaxers like every 2 weeks. You know, that's not good. So anyways, guys, I just want to make a short type of chatty video to kind of tell you guys how that happened to me, you know what I'm saying, and how I fixed the issue. Now, I'm not a cosmetologist. Look, honey, I'm not telling y'all to do anything. Y'all know my spiel. Take everything I say with a grain of salt, please, okay? Just because something works for me doesn't mean it will work for you, but I would suggest that people have been asking me, you know, have I ever had this type of problem? What did I do? And I just felt like I could come on here and make a video of it because there is actually a lot of people that are going through it, okay? So, anyways, guys, any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. You guys already know we're going to discuss in the comments. Will I get back to you the next day or 30 minutes later? Okay. We can discuss in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.